Hi, my Sib Scribbles, or my llama children. Welcome back to another video. Today I will be talking to you about my series. That will be episode 1, tomorrow. So be forward to looking at that. There will not be edits, but pausing. Sometimes we'll probably pause an IP. We've been practicing not to pause IP. Lately. And it turns out, so in episode 1 of, the people in episode 1 shall be me, of course. This is my skin for the IP too. Oh my god. Oh, are you moderate? Are you moderate? I want to say you should, but I don't want to sound ringy. I need one more part. They can't come from behind some. Okay, so it'll be me, Leo, P.S. Bella, P.S. Alice, P.S. Bella. Oh no, I see him. Okay, wait guys, I'm sorry, I have to be quiet for a little bit, so, because I get distracted when I talk. I get distracted by my own voice, oh my god. Making sure they aren't coming from over there, because I can't see over there. They ain't over there because I saw them from over here. How many if they haven't seen me yet? It's just me and that guy, Minnie. Yeah! Okay, now continuing. Skylar as Skylar. Me as Addie. What? Now? What? Now? He's saying I was the murderer. What? Oh, I'm stepping around. Oh, thank you. Oh my god, thank you, Will. It gave me a gun part. So happy. Oh my god. It's wreck. It's wreck. Wait. So, like, see picket? Oh. He gone. Okay, now back to rules. I'm sorry. Owen as my brother, which, I know Owen's a female. I don't really care.
I didn't know Owen was a female until now.
Shut up, I'm recording. Ian as, I don't remember. Dying. Katie as, I still don't remember. Dang me, you suck. But all I know is that Katie and Ian are taken. Seth and Oliver are still not taken, guys. So go in the comments down below in this video and say, can I be Seth and Owen? Please have Discord and Minecraft on computer. Because we need you guys, Seth and Oliver. Oh, hi. I have gun. One's over here. Click on the... Lizzie as Phoenix Flame. Yeah. few more updates. We will have magic, just not powers. There will be magic and spells, just no powers that we can use. Only spells that were from a different series that is not on YouTube. These staffs are from a texture pack we will be using. Only one of us will not have this texture pack, which will be Skylar the Artist. If you guys want to sign up for any of the names I just said with the people's roles, I'm sorry, but those roles are now taken. But the people that did sign up for Oliver and Seth, I do not know who you are. If you told me that when I asked, do you have Discord? If you told me that your name and stuff, it would be easier for me to tell y'all it is you guys. That it would be easier for me to tell that it's you. But since you guys didn't, it was hard and I didn't know what to do. The one that said Seth, they didn't even put their age, so it was very confusing, but I got around to it. But Seth is still not taken, so I'm sorry whoever wanted to be Seth and Oliver, those names are not taken still. If you guys do it this time, it will be easier for me to figure it out. And, yeah, let me tell my brother something. Okay, I am back. My brother is now Oliver, so Owen, which is a female, and Seth are not taken. You just go in the comments and say, can I be Seth? I have Discord. Tell me your Discord name and Minecraft username so I can opt you out on the server. When you guys are on, I will add y'all to episode 1 if I can, if I want to, because episode 1 is tomorrow. So you guys must comment down below today. Oh, okay. You guys must comment down below today before tomorrow when everyone's here. I will be making a video introducing everyone to y'all. You guys will be saying, and they will be saying hi, and then that's it. And then when we are ready for the IP, we will pause the video and cite the IP. Let me tell you guys the story of the character I am being. My name is Addie. I have no siblings, and my mom leaves me at my house. And wait, I need a sniffle. I need a sniff. I don't feel good, so I'm probably gonna be sick during this IP, but I don't care. But okay, continuing. My IP name is Stay Dream. Oh crap. Okay. And my description is loves singing music and loves doing art. I'm an artist and a singer. Oh yeah, and you guys must be able to sing. Not all of y'all must be able to sing. I'm just saying you can. So yeah, when you guys are if you guys don't want to be any of the characters that aren't taken, you may comment down below saying, "Can I be in the IP?" But I don't want to be Seth or Kate or Owen. If you guys don't want to be those people, comment and say who you want to be instead. When you guys have done that, I will say okay and reply to your comment. I'll be saying okay, and I will help you. you know. Okay, well, that's it for the video. I'm sorry I wasn't talking. I was doing something else. I had to get concentrated. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye. See you guys tomorrow. Oh, okay. Goodbye. See what I am. Okay. Goodbye, guys.